Powder spraying. How much powder actually lands on the workpiece? How much gets sucked away? Low powder utilization means material costs keep rising. Powder flies around the workshop. Workers wear masks all day. ZHYAO provides large cyclone powder recovery turnkey solutions. The entire line adopts a large cyclone plus cartridge filter secondary recovery system. Stage 1. Large cyclone separation. Powder-laden air enters the large cyclone separator, where centrifugal force separates coarse powder particles into the bottom hopper for return to the powder supply hopper. Large cyclone recovery efficiency reaches over 95%. Stage 2. Filter cartridge filtration. Fine powder not captured by the cyclone enters the filter cartridge section. Pulse reverse cleaning devices, operating at set intervals and durations, instantly release compressed air to blow back through the filter cartridges, dislodging accumulated powder into the collection hopper. Combined two-stage recovery achieves overall powder recovery rates above 95%. Reviewed powder management. Restored powder is sieved and blended with fresh powder at a controlled ratio, ensuring coating quality remains uncompromised. Fully enclosed recovery systems maintain negative pressure in the spray booth, preventing powder escape and keeping the workshop environment clean. ZHYAO, making every gram of powder count.
ZHYAO, together we color the world.